Hi guys, and welcome back to Pianoly. Today I'm going to show you 4 chords that you can use to play seriously hundreds of songs. Whether you're a total beginner or you're looking to start playing popular music, this is a really great place to start. So let's dive in. These are some of the first steps I take a new piano student through when learning the piano. And if you'd like to know about the rest of the steps, you can watch my free training. The link is in the description below. All right, first things first, let's talk about what a chord even is. So what is a chord? A chord is basically when you're playing multiple notes at the same time, like this. This is a chord because I'm playing multiple notes at the same time. These are all chords. And like I said, today we're gonna focus on 4 chords that are used in hundreds of songs. And those chords are, drum roll please, C major, G major, A minor, and F major. And here's how you're gonna play all of these 4 chords. C major, you're gonna find C, you're gonna play C, E, and G. And that is always C major. The next chord, you're gonna find G, and G major is always gonna be G, B, D. The next chord is A minor. You're gonna find A, and then you're gonna stack them up just like the other 2 chords. It's gonna be A, C, E. And the last one is going to be F major, and F major is always F, A, C. So you've got C major, G major, A minor, F major. These are our 4 chords. Now you might be wondering, what do you do with the left hand? So what you can do if you're playing, for example, C major, with your left hand you could play just C, or you could play a 5th, which is when you count 5 up from your bottom note, so like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in my left hand, I think I recommend doing 5ths the most because it gives you a nice full sound. So I would play like this. And then once you go to G major, you're gonna do the same thing, just G and D. Leave out that middle note, and that's a 5th. A minor would look like this, and F major would look like this. Seriously, you're gonna be amazed at how many songs use these 4 chords. There's actually a really awesome band called Axis of Awesome, and they created a song that combines a ton of these songs together. So I'm gonna show you a little clip of it.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. No woman, no cry. Yeah, Mama, this surely is a dream. I come from a land down under.
Pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna put that video and the link in the description if you wanna see the whole thing. But it's a really great way to even pick which song you want to learn that has these 4 chords. So how do you even start playing these songs though? Thankfully these days we have the internet and you're on it right now. So what you can do is search them online, and I'm gonna show you how to do that now. So one of my favorite websites for this is ultimateguitar.com. So I'm gonna search for Forever Young. Okay, and let's try this one. All right, so I can see all of my chords, and sometimes it'll start off with the guitar right here, so click on piano so you can see the chords. And I can see all of the chords to this song, and I can see when to play them. So before I show you exactly how to start learning the song, let me know in the comments, which song are you dying to learn? Let me know. All right, so now let's learn some of Forever Young together. This was one of the songs that has C, G, A minor, F. So I'm gonna scooch down to the chorus. So when you look at the music, you can see exactly where to play the chord. So whenever you sing that word is whenever you play that chord. So I'll show you an example. Forever young, I want to be forever young. So you can see I did that when I played a little bit of the chorus of the song. And so you might be looking at the song and think, oh my gosh, this is a lot to learn. How do I do this in a productive way? So what I would do is learn small chunks at a time. For example, just practice the verse of the song and get that really good. And then once you've got the verse good, then learn the chorus. Then practice those 2. And luckily in pop music, things repeat. So you would have the verse again, the chorus, and so on, and keep learning it in small little chunks until you've learned the whole song. And the next thing you can do to make it a little bit more fun is perhaps play the song, the recording of the song, while you're playing. That way you make sure you keep a steady beat and you sound musical and so on. These are some of the first steps that I take a new student through when they're learning the piano with me. So if you would like to learn more of those steps that I take students through, like for example, what do I take them through after they learn these 4 chords, I highly recommend watching my free training. There is a link to it in the description below. All right, and if you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.